So guys, in this short video, I just want to quickly share how my week went, because for me, this week was a very profitable week. There is no single losing day this week, which tells me that this week is a very beautiful week. I'll put the screenshot here for you guys to see. Clean week, very clean. So what I'll tell you is that sometimes like this, there will be beautiful setups in a whole week. So your goal is to capitalize on it, because assuming I knew that this week would be profitable like this, I would have increased my risk to make more, because I ended up this week with maybe like $4 extra to my account. It's a very small price for some of you. Even somebody told me in the comments that I can never make it because I'm making small $1, $2, which it is what it is. You will see it and negativity. My goal now is not to make big money at first, rather is to prove consistency. Then later in the long run, I will now go to scale up. You get? So no matter, there must be a tasha. I know, I understand where it's coming from. It's coming from that the money I'm making is so small, but I need to appreciate some things now. You get? So that is it. So where was I? So the week was a very profitable week for me. The setup I saw were very clean. Like demand zone, tap my zone, liquidity criteria, then buy TP. Supply zone, tap my zone, liquidity criteria, then sell. My only regret again this week was that instead of me to hold my trades for more, but normally my system say I should go for 1-to-1, but as when I hold my trade this week for 1-to-2, 1-to-3, I could have banked $12 upward this week, which is very painful to hear, but it is what it is. We don't look for perfection in the market, rather we look to execute our edge consistently. So this new week that is coming, my goal is to simply try to increase my risk. But I know myself, I'll be fidgeting and be freezing. So I'll try to increase my risk because I've backtested. I have 70% win rate with a 1-to-1 and a range of 45 to 50% with a 1-to-2 RR, which is very decent in my opinion. So the goal for this upcoming week is either like to increase my risk on each trade, you get, so I can capitalize and make more profit, because my win rate is very high. And doing some research on ChatGPT, it said I could increase my risk by using a direct system where I will risk like $5 of my account, then the $5 into 2, that is 2.5, then risk it, then grow it from there. So if that 5 blow, I'll then use the second 5 instead of me risking all of them at once. You get? So thanks for watching this video. If you get a thing or two from this video, please don't forget to follow for more content. I love you all. Peace.